how to record your microphone in OBS Studio, audio setup for OBS. To record and set up your audio, first of all, make sure that your mic is connected and that it is recognized by the system. Because this is a different process on Mac and Windows, I'm not going to get to the specifics. So supposing I'm assuming that your mic is already recognized by the system, I will simply open up OBS Studio. From OBS Studio on the bottom right, you can go to the option called Settings. On the left hand side of the menu, go to Audio. You can go ahead and select sample rate to 48 and channels to stereo. Now, on the first mic auxiliary audio, which is for 1, this is where you want to select your microphone over here. So I've connected my DJI Mic Mini, so I'll select that. You can select that if you want to. So when you select that, what happens is that if you have multiple mics added, you can select all those as well and then just hit the OK button. Now you can go to the video option as well if you want to. And when you go to videos and output folder, you can set the output mode to advanced and go to audio. Here under streaming, make sure you select one audio track. If you want to separate audio and desktop sounds, you can choose multiple audio tracks over here as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then configure your audio settings on OBS Studio. I hope this video really helps you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.